Sira. Check yung mission. Check yung mission.
Pay a visit to Perico's home in Todos Santos. If he's there, grab him and bring him in. If not, search the place for useful intel.
Okay, we'll need to get some intel on DJ Perico. Let's go. Careful lang takid. I think dagan siya bodyguard. Hindi ko sure. Let's avoid the main streets. Shit. Just hold your position, Sis. Sis, hold your position, Sis.
Nani?
Deploying drone.
Naitango on my position.
Looking at a small group of tangos.
Sis, it's right behind you. Sis, it's right behind you, Sis. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out. Oh, nanabo ka.
At yun? Yun?
Ayun sa...
Nahulog akong ano ba lang. Down. Bibi down.
Eyes on a small group of tangos. Looking at a small group of tangos.
Sis, may duwa ka tango pa sa tong position.
Ha? Wala ko dumog.
Sa tong position.
Nala ko sa likod.
Proceed. Keep back. Clear siya natin yung left side area. Taking shot. Down. Napaisa diri nga building, oh.
Target it down.
Thank you. Alright, let's scout na tong area from this building. Use your drone.
May bala nito.
Eyes on a small group of tangos.
May isa ka sniper.
Got a mounted weapon.
I got eyes on a mounted weapon.
Deploying the drone.
May isa sa bunker.
Looking at a small group of tangos.
Nakakita niya tango. Nakakita nilang drone sa isa.
Tango number 3.
I'll take out. Kaning building sa 3 o'clock na to.
Pwede na ako ibo ng sniper ba?
Yan na si number 1.
Hindi lang. Kaya nagsulod siya balik. Kumagawa siya.
Okay, tara ka natin nasa bunker. Tingnan ko na naka-shot. Take him out kung naka-opportunity. Bunker guys down. There's no sniper sa this.
Isod. Wala.
There's no sniper sa right. Ah, igo ni mga ano? Number, second sniper.
Ha?
Apa isa ka sniper? Number 2, second sniper, number 2.
Got a mounted weapon.
Eyes on a small group of tangos.
145 meters, okay lang ba ni? Go na ko ha, 145 meters away.
Oh, sige. Take the shot.
That tango's down.
Target down.
Oo.
The only problem is... Pick up number 1 says, kung na opportunity, at pinaka number 2. Kung nabahala niya says there. Naka-shot sa number 1.
Wala.
Keep an eye on him.
Demo's primed and in place.
Tango down.
Patay ng one.
Next building will be... Clear natin yung building kanino. Clear na nila libot-libot sa doors. Ano kaya makita rin yung building size?
Wala. Ay, pag-ibig.
I got a second target. Third target.
Okay, scout na lang target building size.
Looking at a small group of tangos.
Jenny's over here.
Tinawag sa likod na to.
Drone is up.
Lawan sa likod na to. clear naman natin.
Rising small group of tangos.
Susunod to take this guy out seriously. Before niya makita ng mga dead bodies. Maglabay ko, diversion lure.
Use the flash crash for these hombres.
Go push up, push. Tapos naido ka tao sa bunker says naka-shot. Says,
Wala. Kailangan ko umakyat. Ako siya sa number 2.
number 2. Ako number 1. Red. Yellow. Green.
Dead body found.
Ito. Ayan na. We're safe. Ayan. Scout sana ako. Target building ha. Ito ko natin intel mo po. Tara, move up.
At yun nato ni.
Oh, mga targets. Kaya para mas-secure na ito ang intel.
Nakoy sa italing buha sa ano, my door. Ako sa 1.
Awesome. That's why shot sa number 2. Okay, naka-shot. Naka-shot sa number 1.
Oh.
Red. Yellow. Green. Nag-miss ka?
Na ano? Oh.
Okay. Tara, proceed. Careful lang, may ikot ng pamilya.
Patay na.
Ito isa.
Rico is here. They are on any side of the
Paisa na, paisa.
May bala oh.
Nana ko ikaw sa intel, picture na ako.
fanatics.
Kailan 22 minutes so at least to be
Yes. Let's get out of this place. Nakakita sa mga.
Saan tayo? Yeah, iba lang. Ay,
May kami. We need to get out. Tara, dali. Kaya pato nila mo reinforcement. Oh,